Today we will create a report in Power BI, with drill down affect. Every chart will contain further details, which can be drilled down to. We will import an Excel file, with sales data from various stores, located all around the world. Link to the file is placed in the description below. File contains the sales data, along with the list of stores, and the list of products sold. We will load the data sheet, which contains the details of sales, by date, store, and product. First we will create a title for our report, by inserting a text box. Place the title at the top of the report. Create a line chart, to show sales, and cost of sales data, by date. Make sure that the date field is in hierarchical order. Add sales to the y-axis. Change the chart to an area chart. Turn on the drill down mode, by clicking the single down arrow at the top of the chart. Add the cost field to the secondary y-axis. Now, as you click a data point on chart, the chart is drilled down to further detail. Years are drilled down to quarters, which are drilled down to months, which are finally drilled down to days. You can get back to the top level, by clicking the single up arrow, at the top of the chart. Change the titles of fields, from sum of cost, to cost, and sum of sales, to sales. You can change the theme from View tab. Insert a map chart, to display geographic information of sales by stores. Add country and state to the location, and sales field to the bubble size area. Turn on the drill down mode, by clicking the single down arrow at the top of the chart. create a chart to display sales by products. Add product name, category, and location to the x-axis, and sales to the y-axis. Turn on the drill down mode by clicking the single down arrow at the top of the chart. Now you can drill down the sales by product categories. Copy the map chart and paste on the report to create a duplicate geographic chart. Now change the chart to a matrix by selecting the chart and clicking the matrix button. Now you have a drill down matrix report. Add the date field to the columns area. Now you have a drill down report of sales by store location and date. Resize the charts for better visualization. Change the name of field from sum of sales to sales in all charts. Let's explore various drill down options in the report. You can also change the style of map chart from default one to aerial view. Enjoy the drill down report. Please feel free to ask any question or leave feedback in the comments section.